Hey there, I'm Meteorologist Kaiti Blake. Thanks for tuning into your WeatherCurrent video update for Wednesday, July 16th. Well, overall, we're dropping rain chances and increasing temperatures as we head into late week and the upcoming weekend. Next week is looking pretty hot as well. In fact, I'm expecting a lot of places that have yet to see 100 degrees this summer to start to pick up their first triple-digit days as we get into late weekend and the early part of next week. So the heat is starting to build. Also watching potential tropical development in the northern Gulf over the next couple of days. I'll let you know what parts of the state could see impacts from that coming up in just a moment. But we're going to start with this afternoon. There's going to be generally a lot less rain around this afternoon than what we've seen over the last couple of days. So overall, a dry forecast today. High temperatures generally topping out in the mid-90s. There may be a stray shower or non-severe storm out across far west Texas, really Fort Stockton over to Pecos, but everyone else will be dry this afternoon into Wednesday evening. Thursday also looks like a dry and hot day across the state as well. Now by Friday and into the start of the upcoming weekend, you'll notice your eye probably gets pulled to East Texas there into Louisiana. An uptick in the potential rainfall totals across that part of the state and into other parts of the Gulf Coast. That's because there's the potential for a low-end tropical system to develop sometime between now and the end of the work week. This is actually moving west across the northern Gulf away from Florida. If this gets a name, it would be Dexter. However, it's completely possible that it stays pretty disorganized and doesn't actually get a name. Regardless, it's going to sweep some rain across the Gulf Coast states and may even send some tropical downpours into parts of East Texas beginning on Friday. Right now, that's the main impact we're expecting for Texas. There may even be a few tropical downpours that make it as far west as the I-35 corridor. So parts of central and even parts of North Texas may see a chance for some tropical downpours work into your forecast by Friday and even into Saturday. But right now, that's really the only impacts we are expecting for the Lone Star State, but we will keep a close eye on that for you and let you know if anything changes. In the meantime, I would get ready for some real summertime heat to start building across the state. For the rest of this week and even into about the first half of the weekend, we'll generally see our highs stay in the 90s. But some bigger heat starts to build next week with more places seeing high temperatures in the triple digits. So I know we're all Texans. We know how hot it can get, but make sure you're prioritizing heat safety, especially as we get into next week and those temperatures increase closer to 100 degrees or higher. Make sure if you're spending a lot of time outside, you're staying hydrated and taking frequent breaks in the shade. Again, stay tuned with us here at Oncor. We'll be keeping you updated in the coming days. But for now, stay cool and stay safe.